Hi there. Today we're taking a closer look at one of Pics.io's newest tools, the Advanced Filter Panel. Think of it as your personal assistant for finding the right assets in your library. Whether you're part of a big team or working solo, this panel is built to fit the way you work. Let's dive in and show you how it can simplify your workflow. First, let's take a quick look at the current filter panel. It's good for basic searches. You can filter by a few key criteria, but it has its limits. What if you need to search with more detail or combine multiple filters? That's where the Advanced Filter Panel comes in. Here's the Advanced Filter Panel in action. It's flexible, easy to use, and fully customizable. You can tailor it to fit your needs by adding the filters that matter most, arranging them in the way that works best for you, and leaving out anything you don't need. For example, if you often search for files with specific names or tags, you can set up those filters, save them, and access them instantly whenever you need. Let's look at how this works in real life. Say you need to find all the assets uploaded by a specific teammate, files with particular tags, or maybe assets with specific comments. With the Advanced Filter Panel, you can combine these search criteria effortlessly. Just set up the filters you need, and Pics.io will handle the rest. Here's another handy feature. You can save your custom searches. If you often use a specific set of filters, you don't have to recreate them every time. Just save the search as a template, and it'll always be ready for you with a single click. The panel gets even more versatile with support for custom fields. If you've created unique metadata fields in your library, you can turn those into filters as well. Text, dates, drop-down menus. Whatever format you've chosen, you can use it to fine-tune your search. So, why use the Advanced Filter Panel? It's a smarter, faster way to find exactly what you're looking for in your library. From customizing searches to saving them for later, it's designed to make your work easier and more efficient. Ready to see it in action? Log into your Pics.io account and give it a try today. Thanks for watching, and happy searching!